This week, as Living 808 focuses on early learning, we want to talk about the importance of Olelo Hawaii. And for that, we are talking with Punana Leo to talk about some of the challenges and some of the opportunities. And I'm back with Koho'okahi. Thank you so much for joining us. And first off, give our viewers who have not been introduced to Punana Leo more about what you're about.
Hi, aloha nui. Mahalo for having me again. Aha Punana Leo is a nonprofit organization that was founded in 1983 when it was estimated that less than 50 speakers under the age of 18 could fluently speak Hawaiian. Our mission at Aha Punana Leo is E Ola Ka Olelo Hawaii, for the Hawaiian language to live. Primarily, our resources are put into funding and running 12 Hawaiian medium preschools across the islands of Hawaii, Maui, Molokai, Oahu, and Kauai. And these preschools are conducted entirely and only in Olelo Hawaii, or Hawaiian language. What
tips do you have for parents who obviously are trying to keep that momentum going and to work in partnership with you?
It's tough. We just ask them basically to do the same that we've always asked them, is to use as many Hawaiian language words as possible. Even through this segment, we're saying keiki, we're saying ha'avina, honua, or whatever the different terms we've used throughout these different segments. Those are kind of being normalized just through the use. And so Makua have that kind of ability, all of them, to use certain words that have just been normalized throughout their engagement and participation at Punana Leo. So to use those as much as possible, because while you can't just look up sentence patterns online, we do have access to Hawaiian language dictionaries, whether it be in print or even at the touch of a phone. We can access these things. So normalizing and increasing the use of Hawaiian vocabulary is really beneficial.
If someone really wants to dive deep into this, what type of resources are available for them to try and incorporate it into their own homes?
There are many Hawaiian language resources available online. One of them is Duolingo, a Hawaiian language learning app that can be accessed and used from your phone. There's Ulukau, a Hawaiian language website. And on Ulukau, you'll find links to Hawaiian language books. You'll find links to Manaleo clippings or recordings of native speakers. So you can use these resources to increase the amount that Hawaiian language is heard in the household. Dictionaries are online. YouTube is valuable. You can find resources from OEV TV on YouTube that include music, books, even some cartoons. Maui College has a website, E Ho'olu Lahui, that provides stories that have been reprinted and recorded. And there's many, many more. It's really just about looking for them. We have a Olelo No'ea and Olelo Hawaii, Li'u Kapa'akai, everything is salted. The things that we're looking for are there. It's just a matter of going out and finding them. And although we're being ordered to stay at home, if you have an outside area in your house that you can take your keiki around, walk them around and ask them simple questions like, Heaha keia, what is this? And just prompt them to use Hawaiian language. Ask them, when you find something, Heaha kona vai ho'olu'u, what color is it? Heaha kona kinona, what shape is it? Heaha kahana me keia, what can we do with this thing? And just kind of give these questions to allow your keiki the opportunity to answer. Search, try, and eventually the product that we're searching for will start to come to fruition.
Practice by doing and normalization. Well, we thank you so much for all of these valuable tools that everyone can incorporate into home to continue to perpetuate the language and culture. Mahalo.
Mahalo.